Respected media friends, today Tuticorin, particularly BOC Sidambarana Port Authority, have launched more than 40 projects. Out of these, 9 projects was inaugurated and 25 has been laid the foundation, and some of the projects were based on CSR support. So this is a significant journey being demonstrated successfully by this particular port. And as you know, this year, this port has handled more than 35.97 million metric ton. That is a massive growth. That is the indication how this port is successfully functioning and with better operation facilities and quality workforce. And this port also planning to start that particular project. This is Outer Harbour project, where we have the 80-meter draft depth, and which is going to be one of the globally most competitive, port, particularly after the completion of that 15,000 crores project. That will add more dimension to the present cargo handling capacity of BOC Sidambarana port. And this port is also going to develop shipbuilding industry with a worth of rupees 30,000 crores project. And this port has already achieved an identity of one of the leading hydrogen fuel hub. So in many ways, this port is going to contribute significantly to make our Green Ports program successful. And as we have already started in the TAC manufacturing sector also, green transition program, and out of which the TAC will be developed on the basis of the green fuel and will be operated, so that in the near future, as Honorable Prime Minister, after launching the National Hydrogen Mission, have announced that India will always promote green transport for blue economy. That is why, under his direction, we are also developing green port and green, shipping as a whole, to achieve the target which is set by Honorable Prime Minister to achieve the net zero by 2070. So it is a remarkable journey, successful journey we have started, and I believe with your kind support in the near future, many more new projects are going to come, and how AI and IT integrated efforts are being incorporated in this particular port operation to enhance the efficiency and also the capacity building. So I believe that's the way, as per our Prime Minister's vision, that India will become one of the top maritime nation in the world. In the maritime sector, India will be the superpower. So to become a superpower, all the vertical related to the maritime sector, maritime industry, maritime voice needs to be promoted in such a manner, developed in such a manner that it always maintain global standard, and also the quality of operation at the global level, so that India, as per its two vision, Maritime India Vision 2030 and Maritime Amritkal Vision 2047, become one of the top 5 nation among the top 5 shipbuilding nation. So that the target we have set. And also in the cargo handling sector, the target has set to achieve more than 10,000 million metric ton by 2047. So in all the sector, we want to become kind of better, efficient and performing nation in the world. And this is the journey already successfully we have taken forward. Thank you.
Sir, US taxation, sir. The social.
All the ports of India is performing well as per our targeted destination. We are proceeding successfully with all our modern effort.